Hello everyone, Chris Hale here from Profit Squirrel, coming to you with another Profit Squirrel vlog. In today's vlog, what I want to do is briefly talk about partner-friendly bookmakers. Now, if you've watched some of my other videos, then you probably will have heard me mention this before. I've definitely mentioned it as a fantastic way to boost your profits in other videos, but what I thought is I would do this just as a standalone video to make it easier to find, because you may not have seen all of the other videos, and I don't want you to miss out on this fantastic way to essentially double your profits on most of the main bookmakers. So let me explain how it works. As you probably know, if you've done any sort of match betting, you can do the welcome offers and you can do ongoing offers, things like casino offers, horse racing offers, weekly free bet clubs, all of that great stuff in order to make money when you first start match betting and to continue making money as the days, weeks, months, years go on with match betting. What you might not realize though is that a lot of the major bookmakers actually are okay with somebody else in your household, some other adult, actually getting involved. And you may have heard that bookmakers often say one offer per household. Well, in the case of bookmakers that are partner friendly, this is not the case. These bookmakers actually are totally okay with some other adult in your household getting the same free bets and offers that you're getting. So that could be a partner, a spouse, it could just be another relative over 18 that lives in the same house. And I think not everybody knows about this, but they should, because it's one of the easiest ways to extend your profits. If you're making £400 a month and someone else in your household is able to copy what you're doing and also make £400 a month, immediately that's quite a sizable amount to be getting coming in through your match betting. So below this video, I'm going to link to this blog article that we've got here on the Profit Squirrel blog called Partner Friendly Bookmakers. And basically what this will do, it will go over the top bookmakers that we recommend you check out in order to actually increase your profits. So I'm sure you're probably familiar with all of the welcome offers that we have, all of the casino offers, all of the daily offers. There are loads and loads and loads of these and new ones being added every day. There's thousands of pounds in profits available here. So imagine if you could do all of these twice. That's what you're looking at with partner-friendly bookmakers. You're literally able to double your profits in a really, really easy, simple way. There is a lot of our members doing this, taking advantage of it. Just the other day, Samantha posted in our Profit Squirrel group, she said, just made £260 today with my husband Paul. I'm buzzing. Thank you, Profit Squirrel. And Paul goes ahead and comments, well done for finding Profit Squirrel, really enjoying match betting. This is amazing. This is a really nice couple. They're fantastic members and they are enjoying Profit Squirrel and able to make use of partner-friendly bookmakers to increase the profits that they're making. It's really cool. It's what we like to see and it motivates us. And for me, it's super rewarding to see that happening for people. So go ahead, get yourself over to this blog article, check it out. A lot of people already have and are getting involved, and get one of the other adults in your household signed up to these bookmakers. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit the button below, hit that bell button to make sure you don't miss out on any Profit Squirrel content. If you're interested in making more money, if you want to make money online, these are the vlogs, the free content that you need to be listening to. Drop me a comment below if you're involved in partner-friendly bookmakers. Have you tried it out already? Let me know. I always love to hear from you. And if this video has been helpful, hit that like button, let me know, and I'll see you all in another Profit Squirrel vlog very, very soon.